Purok vendor sa paradahan, dunay vendor sa tiyanggihan, may vendor sa kadalanan, sa bangkita o pantalan, inig parking sa sakyanan, daghang tinda, barato lang, may gilugdo, may gipasan. Vendors boogie, vendors boogie, sa biyahe kung may vendors, dali ka magutman. Vendors.
I have often told the stories about the way I live the life of a drifter, waiting for the day when I take your hand and sing your songs. Then maybe you would say, come lay with me and love me, and I will surely stay. But I feel I'm growing older, and the songs that I have sung echo in the distance like the sound of a windmill going round. I guess I always be a soldier of fortune. Many times I've been a traveler, I look for something new. Days of hope and nights were cold, I wandered without you. That those days I thought my eyes had seen you standing near. Though blindness is confusing, it shows that you're not here. Now I feel I'm growing older, and the songs that I have sung echo in the distance like the sound of a windmill going round. I guess I always be a soldier of fortune. I can hear the sound of a windmill going round. I guess I always be a soldier of fortune. I guess I always be a soldier of fortune. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.